$2,500.
There we go. That's how you start it out.
25, 25. All off this little tiny account too. That's the magic.
Do you believe in magic?
All right.
That's even better.
That's
Thank
it.
you for running that deal yesterday for the 2,500.
Oh, absolutely.
So I appreciate that.
Yes. Yes, yes.
Yeah, I scooped that up too. Thanks, Coach.
You're,
Man.
we're welcome. Great job. Glad you guys were able to get in on that.
Thank you for opening that wound again, Coach. It's just opened my a wound that I had. It was healing.
Won't you?
I've been building my account, Coach.
Yeah.
I want to do that damage, but I can't do it right now.
I hear you.
But I will. Coach.
That's right. Keep work. Yeah, keep working at it. You'll be all right. You'll be all right.
Yes, sir. Building the account little by little.
Yes.
What's the wife think about you coming and doing the 2 to 4?
Oh, she's all right because normally I'm doing admin work right now, so she doesn't see me till in the afternoon when we do the showtime stuff. So this is all norm. So cues, a couple of these major areas I was watching for earlier. Let me see, or NQ I should say. Is this 23? I was looking for the bounce there, which it did. Yeah, this one was nice. I got a lot of this down here. I mean, a lot of it. I think I'm up. It doesn't say, does it? Let me look. Oh, yeah, right here. See the P&L? 20, yeah, 25.78.
Nice.
Um,
We was wondering what was causing that drop. I guess just regular sell-off. Huh? Did they have any news? Did anybody?
no, Friday. It's Friday. I got to eat my stew, by the way. I haven't eaten yet today, so I apologize.
Your stew is crazy.
The stew is so good. My wife,
Yeah.
all homemade. I don't know if you guys can see this, but so good. Actual real chunks of stewed meat in here. It's so good. Carrots, potatoes, corn, onions, of course, celery, and then, of course, actual giant chunks of her stewing real, beef in there. Braised beef, so good. Okay. Let's take a gander, shall we?
At this level, though, is crazy. This is where it could really drop off.
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Who's got support? We got support levels besides this 23.
I thought you wanted support for the song. I don't.
I thought you were talking about pet support, animal support.
Bam, there's $85. That's enough to pay for my stew. There you go, mama. Done. Daddy needed a new pair of Crocs. Done. Now, obviously, it's getting a little more dangerous just off this double bottom here, but got a little room there. As long as we stay below this 9. I'm just trading this off the 2-minute, by the way. Still looking good. Still looking juicy. Ralph, thank you for covering in here. Doug and anybody else that was helping out, appreciate you in here. Sure, you're just doing.
I've got support at 939 and 886.
All right, thank you.
Previous levels.
Got you. So we still got some. So we still got some room in here. Boom, I'll take it. That's 25, 25. That's a hundy.
I've been muted this whole time. Y'all can hear me now?
We can hear you now.
Oh,
Can you hear me now?
myself.
Hi, Dennis. Thank you.
This is a bleed out. I was not expecting you to come down this low.
Yeah, me neither. It's been amazing. We need to look for support below 923. Somebody let me know when you see it. That'd be great. Otherwise, I'll go look. There's your micro double bottom bounce. See it right there?
Yeah, 9/12/75.
912. Okay, thank you. I'll mark it. Let's take a peek. Let's go out.
886.
All right, there's all of our levels. I've got them all here. 92 or 926.50, 912.80, 897.50, and then 879.10. Those will be the next setups. Give or take, you know. This is glorious. How are you guys doing today? Did anybody make any money yet today or what?
Oh, yeah, they killed YM.
Mm.
Yeah, Dow Jones, it made a new high. And it kept going after that. The NQ drop. Copper had a major move up.
Yeah, yeah.
Because they had a shortage. Mark was on the road. Talking about he's sneaking the trade in while his wife was in the trade.
Uh-oh.
You better not do that.
Uh-oh. No.
Yeah. It's still trading on his anniversary. We didn't even know anything about copper until he messages.
Look at that micro double bottom bounce, gang. See it?
Oh, yeah. That's a good one.
Yes. That's beautiful right there. That's from 26 to, shoot, what did this get up to? 57. It touched the 21 and pulled back. That's nice. That's good. That's good for a bearish move. I like it. Oh, is it going to stay up? Hit the 21 and pull back. Should have more of a sell-off here, but we'll see. Look at it. Burr, 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 burr. By the way, one of our members this morning, in the first 13 seconds of the day, made $1.3 million this morning.
13 seconds? Jeez.
And the market was going nuts in the first, like that first
It
5 minutes
was.
was crazy to
Oh,
me.
you know what? Maybe it was first 13 minutes. I'll have to look. I'll look.
Yeah, I mean, it was up and down. I mean, I know Doug had measured one candle that was something like 70 ticks up, and
Yeah.
then it went back down. It did that a
This,
couple times before it decided.
let's see if this stays above the 21. I don't like it up here. giving it back 600 right here off of this. Thought I was going to see more of a pull down there, and I didn't have my stop in place. Watching it here. I will cut this up here. Basically, I'm watching this level right here. Yeah, this is still running. This should have pulled back. This should have been that fake breakout pullback here.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna come off the 21. I'm looking at the
That's what I thought. See if it shows weakness here or if it's going to run. Still staying up there. I will cut that loss if I have to. Make sure you guys put your stops in place because I did not have my stop on that. I'm just watching to see if it's weak here or not. If it pulls back a little bit, I'll add. If it doesn't, I'll get out.
double bottom bounce.
Yeah, it was a beautiful double bottom bounce. There's weakness.
There we go.
Oh, only got enough for 3. Come on, drop. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Like I said, if it stays up here, I'll have to kill it for a loss. Looking for weakness right here. I'm going to put in a hard stop. Just to cover my butt. Cover my booty.
What is that? You have a buy above and a buy below. I don't see how you did that.
One's a take profit. There it goes. And one was a stop loss.
Stop, okay.
Yep. I always kill the take profit because I never use those. But they forces you to use it, right? You have to do both when you do what I did there.
In order for them to have it, the orders tied together, you gotta have that take profit on there to get rid of it.
Yep, correct.
Now you have to keep canceling the stop losses whenever you get out of the trade.
Correct. Now this is bouncing off the 9, so that's not good for me. But that should have been the sign of weakness right there with the collapse, but we'll see. Like a false breakout. Now I've got 2 in place. I've got a stop, and then I can take my order. This is what you guys see on my screen in front of me, right? If it does a quick drop, or I can kill the screen, drag that stop, right? So I've got options here. You see how I'm doing all this? Just run into my hard stop. Out of the trade, costed me. Did not break down. I could have got it right here again, but I wanted to see if it had more. I was looking for that false breakout drop, but it is what it is. Oh, by the way, everybody, thank you all for being here. Appreciate you. Thank you to all my moderators, my military family, and all my first responders. You guys are going to get the short version.
This thing's really trying to go back up.
It is double bottom bounce, and it stayed. Wasn't expecting that. Now, typically when I'm doing this, I usually have a 20 to 40 point stop loss at the time of purchase, which would have saved my butt, obviously. The smaller I go, the bigger I'll let the stop loss be, just to let it work. Appreciate you.
It looked like it just want to go for another run to the downside right here.
I know. I was expecting it to pull back. I was honestly expecting it to come up here, try to bounce, right? And then lose all momentum and just crash back out.
So that 993 is previous day low. I wonder if it'll.
It could. We'll see if it acts as resistance. Yep. We will see.
She's got the 55 right there.
By the way, that's one thing that I love with futures. Like, it does not take a lot of money to make money, does it? I keep resetting the account back to like 5 or 10, whatever I want to trade. Then you make 5 or 10, take the money out, reset the account back down. It's awesome. Think about it. Honestly, you only need to be trading 1 to 2 minis, right?
That's it.
Yep. One to two minis. That's what I'm usually trading live when I'm in front of everybody, and there's tons of times I get $1,000 trade out of it. Right? That's the beauty of it once it starts running. 2 minis will get you 1,000 in a hurry.
Really quick.
Yep. So we're either going to get pulled back here or I'm going to long it. If it stays, there it goes. So I'm going to get in there. Hopefully that's not a false breakout on this point. See how I've got my 30-point stop in there? That's what I typically run. I'll wait for this to get a little more green. There we go. Protected trade. Stopped out. Now I'll still make, when I do that, by the way, I'll still make like $50, right? When I get stopped out. Because I still try to make sure I've got enough. Watch, I'll take one more stab at it. Now, sometimes I'll let it work. Sometimes I won't. Sometimes I'll move my stop to protect right away. Like other times, like right here, now it's just a good trade. Get up there. There's $100. But you see what I mean? It's like,
Yeah, it seems like, it'll take it a few times and it'll be like a small, but then you'll get a jab.
yeah, then it'll go. Yep, then it'll just take off. Still moving nicely here. I should be live on everything, am I?
Yeah, you are on YouTube.
TikTok keeps saying couldn't connect, trying to reconnect now. I don't know what's going on with that.
Oh, finally you're running into one of Mike's problems, or
Yeah, I shouldn't be getting any of that.
Coach, I think it's the time frame. We're just, it's like a black cloud at this time of the day
Mm-hmm.
for TikTok.
Well, it's weird. It's like internet issue or something weird. I don't know.
Yeah.
All right, now.
Yesterday, when he popped on, he instantly was told he was restricted.
Gotcha. Okay, right here, you guys see how that immediately came out with that engulfing candle? That was weakness. So now I'm going to really watch this bad boy and see Yep. Yeah, it came back down and bounced off the 9, so I'm watching this right here. But the good thing is it's giving us support right where we talked about that 993. And now it's showing me that this 12 is resistance. So this is my channel, 25012 to 24993. That's the channel. Breaks one way or the other. I'm going to hammer it. Yeah, I don't know why TikTok Studio is doing this. Problems with my live quality, my butt. What you talking about, Willis?
So at this point, no trade zone.
No, I'm just going to wait.
Break it out.
Yeah, I'm going to wait for it to either break up here or fall back down here. Okay, here we go. That's a nice setup. I like that. I'm in it.
Currently hitting the line on my chart. I don't see one on your chart. Actually, it bounced right off that line.
Yep. Get a little bit more push because SPY over here's got some room to go. I'm watching SPY as well, but SPY's got some room to go up to VWAP 670.72. So both of them have a little bit room here in the gap. Little more. I need a little more juice before I let this go. Notice I'm still holding it. There we go. Bam, I'm in it. Come on. $100. Come on. Kiss me, baby.
At 25.18.75, coach, where it stopped.
Yep.
Stopped to the penny. That line was auto-generated on my chart from one of the scripts I used.
Thank you. Yep.
Where it's from? I don't know where it's from, but it was there.
Nice. Nice.
Do you think it's headed back up to where it started for the end of the day?
I don't know about that, but we'll see. Trade the trades, right? I'm just going to trade it as it goes. I'm watching Apple as well. Apple now bouncing above VWAP.
Yeah, the Q is in Q is above the upper regression line. I never have luck when it's above or below.
Yeah, definitely. It makes it hard. Yep. Yeah, let me pull that up on my other chart. Mark was still trading. How did we know that would happen?
He's still trading right now?
No, I don't know about now, but he just can't get away from it. He can't get away from it. You know it?
He cannot.
He can't get away from it. This money is running his life now, baby.
It's an addiction.
That cracks me up. I remember one time Mark told me, "Well, I'm not." What would he say? He said, what is it? Well, I'm not led by vacations and fancy cars." And I said, "Okay, we'll see. We'll see. It's a different story once you start making millions of dollars. We'll see." And here he is, right on. He's probably like flying to Paris first class. He probably bought a charter. Right? Oh, that's what it was. He said, "Well, money doesn't motivate me." And here he is. He's 24/7 living in the stock market now. He can't get away for 2 seconds. I'm like, okay, yeah, money doesn't motivate you until you make a lot of it. And then it's got a way of burrowing in there. Mm-hmm. Oh, this is just stalling right out here. Kind of flatlined. So stopping at that 25.026. So we got to get a push beyond that. Yep, need to see a bigger push out of there. I don't like how tight that stop is. That's too tight. I'd just end up buying another one too tight. I might as well let it work a little bit. There we go. Yeah, come on, baby. Get up there. All right, trade protected. Here we go. Now we got a runner. There's 400. Notice, now watch what I do. As this candle moves, I split the difference, right? I go about half. You see how long the candle is? I go halfway between what I bought.
That right there works
Took it.
really well.
Yeah, it does. So it goes up and then I go up. It goes up, I go up. And I move and I keep it about halfway, right? And then typically it'll just keep and I'll get to move it 6 or 7 times and it'll, next thing you know, you're up 1,015. There it goes. See? I was off by just a little bit right there, right? They add up. But there's SPY, boom, right to VWAP. Now watch. Watch for NASDAQ to pull here. Shorting it. Boom. Took 100. But do you see that? Shorted it right where VWAP was hit on SPY. Did you guys catch that?
Like they move the same exactly.
Uh-huh. But isn't that funny? Because there's nothing on NQs to show like, hey, it's going to pull back right here, right?
I was just about to ask you.
Yep. I did it right off of SPY. Yeah, right off of SPY.
I saw you doing that, I think it was yesterday.
Yeah.
You were trading in Q, but you had your eye on SPY.
Yep. Absolutely. I do it all the time. Yep, I do it all the time. And I've still got Apple up over there too, right? To give me, I'll switch between Apple and the Qs, kind of give me an idea what the market's doing, the overall. Yeah, but and just those little moves, that's why I was saying, here, I'll flip it to 2. Even 2 minis, which, how much does that cost? Like $16.60, so $3,200, right? $3,200 is what it costs for entry. But 2 minis, shoot, that thing will run all day. There's that pullback, seeing if it's got more.
Coach, this just entered into a $20 channel between 25027 and 25047.
Thank you. I want to short this. I really do, which is completely opposite, think about it, which is completely opposite of the momentum. So that's why I'm waiting. Just waiting to see. Because typically, as you guys know, right, when SPY runs all the way down like that, it tries to come back up. It hits resistance, which is VWAP, and then it'll just get shoved all the way back down. Otherwise, if it breaks through, I'm going to be looking to long it. So the whole market will be looking long again, right? So just being patient. It's in a good spot. Waiting for it to break. If SPY breaks 670.72, I'm going to watch for it to run up to that 671.23, which is the 200 MA. So usually what it'll do, it'll try to break through. So you'll see it, pop through VWAP, and then it'll just, right, knife drop. So you don't want to do it as it's running through VWAP, right? That's usually a false breakout. Yeah, oh yeah. That's why I'm saying is all I'm doing down here, gang, is I'm watching this with SPY. See it here?
When the SPY get over the VWAP, that's going to take off.
Yeah, and I don't think it's going to. So we'll see. Like I said, I'm looking for this to drop. So the rest of the world is like, we're running to the moon, right? People are asking me, Coach, is it going to come back all the way to where it started? I think it's just going to crash and burn, but we'll see. What do I know? I'm in it.
Heavy on the vine.
Yep, I'm in it. I shorted it. Bye-bye. There it goes. Come on, baby. Come on. You got more. Come on. I'm going to sink your battleship. Come on. Don't stop me out. Yep, there you go. Thank you. Come on. Come on. I'll take it for 200. That's 2 minis though, right? Like, you know what I'm saying? 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 What's up, James? If you want to connect with us, go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Join us right now. So was I right on that or what? Look at that pullback off of VWAP. Huh? Forget about it. Oh, yeah. This is so heavy now.
I said I'm going to sink the battleship. It's going down now.
Yep. I'm in it. Protected. Come on, drop so I don't have to worry about it anymore. Just drop hard. Come on. Stop goofing around. Show the people what they want. Come on, a little more. That's it. Attaboy. Attaboy. There's 375. There's 390. There's 500. There's 550, 570, 585. Do I hear 6? Come on, do I hear 6? 586, 60. Thank you. 735. Do I hear 8? Come on, there's 647, 35. Come on now. 780. Do I hear 8? 840, 900, 1,000. Thank you. Thank you, and have a good night. Thank you.
That was a good move right there.
Shooter. Thank you. Appreciate you. I'll be here all week. Next week, don't forget, tip your moderators. Nice job. Like I said, right? They add up really quick, don't they?
Oh my God, that's so nice.
So how about this? How about the whole world is thinking SPY is fully recovered and it's going to run to the moon? And I'm like, no, it's not. That's what 33 years looks like, ladies and gentlemen. Am I right?
Hey, Ralph, I'm going to be in trouble tomorrow.
Oh, no.
No, I mean, I'm great, but you know how I had that 5 trade limit?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Yeah. Yeah, that was number 7. I just took that one with the coach.
But you made money, though, didn't you?
I'm kidding.
Yeah.
Cost me money
Huh.
tomorrow.
Bang, bang.
This is going to be sweet. You're going to be in with us next week, Coach.
Yeah, all week. Yep, I'll be here all week. Yep.
Get your bank account ready.
Yeah, yeah. Cha-ching, 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 cha-ching. All right.
So you can't just watch his trades. You also have to see, why he's entering those trades, especially if well, at least that's what I'm doing.
Yeah, yeah. Well, that's kind of the beauty of it is I get to walk you through it while I'm doing it, right? So it's, yeah, which is neat. And then don't forget, too, because it's going to be on YouTube, you guys can go back and watch the replays. Now, if you remember, the trade before this was a bozo trade, and it went against me, and it costed me all that money. So really, after all of this, I'm at break even again at 2,500. See it? So I'm down about $80 from when I started. So even though I had a couple good trades, I also had a bonehead trade. And think about it. You make enough mistakes and it'll cost you everything, right? How many times have you had like 8 great trades and one will go wipe it out, right? So you still got to stay diligent. Now, here's another way. Here's a good way, too, for risk management to protect this. So that when I was trading 2 and 3, move it down, right? Think about it. If I now slow it down by using less money, like this is still pulling, if I now trade with a less amount, I don't have as much risk anymore, right? So now it won't be a single trade that'll wipe all my gains, right? So if I go smaller, now it could be 5 boneheaded moves, which obviously if you're making a bunch of boneheaded moves, you need to shut that thing down. But this is another way for risk management, right? So it's one of 2 camps. It's either you padded it up enough for today to make larger trades, to obviously make larger amounts, as long as you're still doing the right things. Or what I would rather you recommend doing is, as you've padded it up, slow the trades down, go smaller. Hell, I can do micros now. Think about it. Instead of NQ, I can go MNQ, so micros. So instead of doing 3, which would be 30 of these, now I could do 5, which is a half of 1, right? So now what I've done is I've completely slowed the whole thing down. Now watch. Now watch as I make these trades. And you'll see a major, so right here, I'm going to sell off this 9. Now watch the difference. Watch the open P&L over here. Look, 6, 9, 14, 19, right? Look it. You see the difference? Now I'm still going to trade it the same. I protect my trade. I do not change ever. Half candle. There's $66. 56. Now think about it. If it, boom, I'll take another $50. But think about it. If it was the other way, I could have lost $200. Do you see what I mean? So now I can nickel this. So now if you guys are like, oh, well, I want to trade a little bit more. Okay, go smaller, right? Now, obviously, you're going to pay more fees and silly stuff because you're doing micros versus minis. But honestly, slow it down, right? And if you're still struggle busting, do 1. I mean, watch this. Okay, so now I'm watching the pop of this 9. So where just a second ago you saw me short this, now I'm going to look at longing this. Just like that. I'm in it. Now watch 1. Look at it. 450, 650, 9. All right, total risk was what? About $12. Right? So now I could make all kinds of stupid mistakes and still be like, woo, going into Friday, yay, right? The weekend looking good. You know what I mean? So this is another way for all of you to control the risk. And it's always about risk management. Always. Don't ever lose sight of that. And don't give up all those gains, man. You had a really good day and you're like, yeah, but I'm going to double that. And then I'm going to double that. And then I'm going to stop. Stop. The problem is the bigger you go, the more you can lose. So go smaller. Just go smaller. So this is still kind of on the fence. Now think about it. If I would have made 3 boneheaded trades in here, oh, it's going to go long. Oh, it's going to go long. Oh, now it's going to go short. That could have been 3 minus 200. Would that be $600? Now it's going to be $45. You see what I'm saying? And don't forget, it does not take a lot of money to do this. How much do you usually risk every trade? It really depends. It depends. Like right here, I'm just using a small account. I mean, other times, you know, it won't be. It'll be $250,000 or $500,000 in there and then making bigger trades. But this right here, this is tiny, tiny, tiny stuff, right? What are micros? Micros cost, this is $166. So it's $166 to enter this trade. And I'm using a 30-point stop loss. So you do the math. What is it, $1? What is it, $1.25 on these times 30?
NQ is 50 cents, coach.
Oh, 50. All right, there you go. So $15, right? That's it. That's my total risk. There goes the short. Boom. There's my stop. Notice no matter what, I trade the trade the same. You will not, I don't care. See, I got stopped out. I don't care about, I'm not changing my trade the way that I trade because of changing my position sizes and things. I typically, now I'll either go heavy and quick or lighter and longer. It just depends on how I feel for the day, right? Sometimes I like to load the boat and get in and out. As soon as it's green, it'll be like $3,000, right? $2,000. Other times I'll do what you guys are watching me do, 400, 500,000, 100, 200, 400, 600,000. You know, ding, 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 just kind of working the system a bit, right? Now, again, notice I got stopped out on 2 trades, right? It was $30. Right? And then I go, hey, now it is actually making a decision. I can go a little bit bigger. I'm going to go 5 up here now that it's broke above the 9, right? I'm like, hey, this is a better trade. Now this one, notice I moved this. The only reason I moved this is because I want my stop just below this 21 right here. See it? I don't want it to be at the 9 because typically it'll, try to wick a little bit on the 9. And again, so this trade is $100 risk. So total, that was $130. You guys realize before when I'm trading, much larger, that's like barely moving, right? It's a different game. That was $130. So think about it. Now if I come over here even to 1, so now this is clearly showing me this has got no upside at all. This thing is a turd. Now over here, I'll go larger. Now watch the ticks. Look at 200, 160, 145. Do you see the difference? Look at how fast that moves compared to what I was just doing. Do you see the difference now?
Yeah.
I mean, this is about and I got stopped out. This is a $500 risk. Every time I click buy, doing 3 is 500. So that was 500. But do you see what I'm saying? That was just like that. Right? Major difference. So anyways, I should stop goofing around because now I'm only up $1,800. But you guys understand what I'm saying, right?
Yep.
Control it. Control the whole thing. Thank you for that, Galaxy. Who was? Oh, that was Miranda. Oh, that was Birthday Girl. Thank you, Birthday Girl. Did everybody show her the love, by the way, today?
Yep.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Miranda.
Yes. Yes. Thank you so much. Appreciate you.
It's gonna be sweet. It's gonna be like a one-on-one all week next week.
Yeah, I had to actually move my one-on-ones and my mentorees to make sure I'd be in here because I wouldn't have had a voice. See what I do for you guys? And those guys are paying $100K a year. They're literally giving me, yeah.
That's what the diamond is paying.
Yes.
Itself easily.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's easy, yeah.
Do we get the recordings of those for Diamond?
Yes.
Where are they?
Oh, actually, this is recording. Over in the VIP Gold, there is a full recorded area.
Nice. I'm checking that out.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. There are hundreds of videos. And if you guys are new Diamond members, don't forget all the previous. Ooh, I had a little bit of power outage. I've never had that in this room. All the previous workshop classes are recorded too. So you guys will have like 30 workshop classes. All of those are recorded. You get access to all of them.
Same spot in the VIP Gold?
I believe it is. One of my moderators can correct me if I'm wrong.
Mentorship will be in the mentorship replay channel, and they'll be in their categories.
Okay.
Make sure you go up to the top of Discord and click on Browse Channels and make sure all the channels
Are checked. Yeah, because you might not be seeing everything if you don't have all the channels checked, correct?
It's better to look at the videos in the WAP, I think, now.
Yeah, we took them off because it was still broke on the WAP back end. So you'll find them all on Discord again. I believe. We keep trying to change it. We keep trying to, but every time we do it, it breaks over there. And then we got to bring them back. And then we got to tell everybody. It's like, if it was up to me, we'd have nothing over there.
I agree.
Yeah, it's just been a pain. Yep. Every time we do stuff over there, it just breaks. All right, come on. I want to see, speaking of break, I want to see this break down. Remember, I've been telling you, I want to see this downside, 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 downside. Every time it just comes right in here. Oh, look at SPY. SPY is in a great spot to the downside. It just needs a little bit more, and this is going to be lights out. See it?
Yep, it's hanging
It really is. Take one more stab at this. One more stab, risking 500. If I don't do it though, I just won't trade anymore today. Take my 1,200 bucks and be done with it. We'll go one more in me. $500 risk, looking for the pull here. Come on, I'm going to protect this trade as soon as it gives me enough room. But this is in a beautiful spot over there. Just because it's right below the 9, it's below the 21, it's below that. There we go. Come on, get down in there. Come on, catch. There it is. Come on, a little more. I did not let go of my stop yet. I'm still holding it. See it? I need it a little more.
I love that trick.
Yeah, it's so great, isn't it?
Yep.
It's like gamifying it.
Just hold it there.
Yep, I'm just ready to let go of my mouse. Come on, I want more. The problem is, I already know if I put it right here, it's going to keep wicking through and stop. So I have to let this work with that $500 risk range to get my payout. You know what I mean? So, like I said, sometimes you guys will see me immediately protect my trade. Other times you're going to see me let it work. That's not a good candle for me. That's going to push right through on me. Yep, that candle is.
I feel like sometimes I have my stop too close, too tight.
Yeah, and that can happen. All right, here we go. Here we go. Come on, more. See right here, I want the bottom to drop out. Then I can let it go. Little more. There it is. Now I'm in a good trade. Go. 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 I'll take it for 200, but damn it. I wanted more out of that. You guys could see it was teetering down there.
It's green.
Yeah, it's green. You're right. It's a green trade. I shouldn't be crying about it, but I see this just bleeding out so good right here. Now, because I was going in larger and protecting the trade, I could go smaller, and then I could open this up, right? So instead of 30 ticks with 3, I can do 40 with 1 or 50. And right, let's sell this again. Oh, there we go. Now this is off of 1. That was the move I was looking for, by the way. It's got, yep, bye-bye. You guys see what I was talking about now, don't you? Yeah, you do.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Yep. Right here's support. Watch for the bounce. Right now, 669.37 was the bounce. If it doesn't bounce there, I will add. So I'm going to take this off because it's already in place. Move this a bit. If that breaks through, all right, now watch. I'm going to go tight stop. Can anybody tell me why I do tight stop there? Yeah, because if it's going to bounce, it's typically really hard. Boing, right? Now, if this breaks through this area, 669.37, I will short it again. But until then, I make sure I collect my profits. Notice I collect my profits. Did you guys catch it at the exact perfect freaking level? Do you guys see why people pay me $100K to sit with them? It's funny. One of my mentorees, one of my mentorees is over $250,000 now. He's sat with me twice. I'd say that's paid for itself. What do you guys think?
That's amazing. Absolutely.
Look at right here, 669.37. Remember we were talking about that, and I told you this is where it's going to bounce, and that's going to be support. Yes. Yeah, user. I'm covering for my futures trainer and trader. Yeah, 100K is crazy. You're right. I think it's way too low, but he's thinking it's the other way. It is way too low. Next year, though, I'm going to charge $500,000 or $1 million per year for people to sit with me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work with a couple of those people, and I'm going to make them $10 to $100 million. That's my goal, knock on wood. And then they're going to be able to come in the room and go, yes, he helped me make $10 to $100 million. And then I'm going to go, who wants to work with me? It's going to be $1 million. See how that works? That's why I'm doing it like that. Shh, don't tell anybody. Marketing genius. Don't tell anybody, though, okay? Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Oh,
Did you catch the super chat in YouTube?
I did not.
J-Dog says, very nice, very nice.
Nice. Nice. Thank you. Appreciate you, J-Dog. J-Dog, by the way, just got his diamond membership yesterday.
For real, J-Dog, he be everywhere.
He is, man. Appreciate. Yes. Thank you.
There you go.
Are you currently in a trade? I wasn't currently in a trade. I just made $300 while we were talking about J-Dog Super Chat. Did you guys see that quick scalp I did? See, now here's the thing, though. I've made all these trades goofing around. I haven't made a penny since being in here. Look, 23.33. I came in at 2,500, right? So really, I'm just spinning my wheels. Now, listen. If you find yourself doing that, stop. Seriously, just stop, right? Because what'll happen is you'll get burned out and you'll want to make like a lot more money because you've been up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And the problem is you'll start going heavier. You'll start taking more risks. You won't wait for proper setups. You're going to think everything is a setup because this is the other problem too with being a scalper. Literally every second is a setup. And if you think I'm kidding, I'm about to show you what I mean. But seriously, if you start to find yourself where your P&L, right, is just, or your trading is just up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, you got to quit. Seriously. Because once you get really good as a scalper, I can watch and I'm not kidding, every second is a setup. I can now trade every candle, right? I don't need to wait for the 9, the 21 right here. I would short it. I don't need to wait. Yes. Yes. See, the 21 would be my stop and I would short it here. So the problem is once you start to see everything the way I see it, everything, I mean, I could just walk in and be like, yeah, I could trade that right now. I could trade that one right now. So you've got to like, okay, dude, calm down, right? Like, yes, like right here, I would have said I would have got it on the 21, but now I'd be longing it, right? Longing with the short to the 9 or with my stop to the 9. But it's like everything looks like a trade. So you also have to be careful of that. So then you'll just end up making a bazillion trades instead of going, okay, let's wait for it to break a nice channel, right? I see a good, beautiful gap to this next area, right? I see that it's coming up on this. Those are what we really want to be on, not like, I need to make 350 trades, right? Not saying it doesn't work. I mean, Brady made his first $1 million in the first 30 days trading 350 times a day, if you guys remember. So it's not like it doesn't work. It's just, that's a lot. He was also, his health started to fade. That's why he dipped when he first made his first like 10 million. He had to stop. Remember, he's like, my health is going to crap.
Yeah, I remember that, Coach.
Yep.
That's when we was going to come out with the ADT depends.
Yes, exactly. Yep, exactly. So somebody just said, you said you would short it, but the candle closed green. Listen, A candle closing green does not mean automatically that it's going to be to the upside. I hope you understand that. A candle closing green means absolutely nothing as far as where you think it's going to go on the next candle. That is nothing. That just means there are more buyers at the end of it, right? The very next candle can just go, woof, right? There is no Telegram. We don't have Telegram here. We train you. Go to americandreamtrading.com. Go to americandreamtrading.com right now. Click join the community. Oh, look at this run up. Now, right here is what we were looking for. The 699.85. And in fact, I'm going to put myself in a timeout. MNQ.
Take it down a notch.
That's right. Go to 1. Ding. Put in my stop. Done. This one I'll go 40. Now this is nice. And the good thing is I really like it up here above this 85 SPY, which is telling me, so right here, you see all this traffic? Look at this traffic. So on NQ, we're looking for the break of 25,016. See it? That's what we're watching for. I love it. David said, what's your opinion on the triple pigeon horseback reversal method? Oh, I love it. Absolutely. That's phenomenal.
You wouldn't happen to have that in an acronym, would you?
Well, actually, we've got the recording that will help you through it. Here you go.
And according to my data research, 3 times resistance on a 1 hour trend, or 1 hour and 20-minute trend on a 3-time trend hitting on at 145 gives it a resistance value of a positive.
There you go. So if you needed to know, now you know. Oh, it was 13 minutes, not 13 seconds. My bad. Here, I'm sending you guys. These are the messages I get throughout the day. Are you guys ready? Go look at your Zoom chat. Now, I left the name out on purpose. That's the message I got this morning from one of our traders at 9:43. Is that awesome or what?
That's amazing. Wow.
That's something, right?
That is impressive.
Yep.
That's beyond impressive.
See that false breakout, 669.85. We need a break and hold up there off of SPY, or like I said, above 25,016 on NQs, right? It's really what we're waiting on. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 120 viewers over here. Appreciate you all. Is it lagging? Yeah, I'm sorry, gang. I don't know why that is. My internet should be cranking to the moon. I have no idea. Let me kill some of my background stuff just in case it's taking anything from it. I do apologize. I don't know why we're getting a lag. I don't get lag here. I got fiber at the house. Yeah, I apologize if it's lagging. Yeah, it's TikTok, man. I have no idea why. Now look how long SPY has taken to try to recover. Remember how everybody thought it was going to the moon and we hit VWAP and then it pulled back? We still aren't even back up there again, are we? Yeah, gang, I don't know what TikTok's doing. Here, if you guys are having a struggle with that, you should just go over to YouTube. Just type in American Dream Trading and see, is anybody over on YouTube? Is that one okay? So it's just the TikTok app. That's what I thought. Yeah, and I'm not even really. I'm using 4800 bit rate. I mean everything 30 frames, 1080. There should be. I run this every morning with zero issues, so it's definitely something to do with this weird app. The TikTok Studio is freaking trash.
See if the new owners can do anything about that.
Yeah, really. Oracle, fix it. Stop goofing around. You'd think with all the damn money they make, you guys realize with every gift that you send, TikTok takes half.
Like 60%, you only get 40.
Yep, they take half. So, like every rose, every little penny rose, they take a half a cent. So, literally, you send a galaxy, which is like, how much are galaxies? $15 or whatever. They take half of everything. Yeah, I know, Bruno. I can't fix it. It's TikTok.
TikTok's running fine for me. Maybe restarting your viewers restarting your TikTok and coming back in. It's not coach.
No, it is because it keeps saying couldn't connect, trying to reconnect now. It's like constantly saying that. Yeah, constantly saying it on my end. Yeah, it won't stop. It just keeps popping up and it keeps going right over my positions that every second I have to click it away, click it away, click it away, click it away. See, and then that popped, but now I've only got a $15 risk. So there's nothing to trade here. And we are in power hour too, by the way. AmericanDreamTrading.com. Get signed up. Right now, we have a free week if you want to try us out. Free week of crypto, premium, which is stocks and options, or of course, futures. You get a free week. After that, it'll renew at its regular rate. Stocks and options, $125 a month. Crypto is $50. All right, baby. And futures is $250 just because you get trading view indicators with it. Hi, what are you doing, stink bug? What you doing? Huh? What you doing? You're so good. All right, let's see. Boy, this is dead. Let's go to something else. This is toast. Let's check out gold. Gold bouncing off the 200. See, like this. So the second I come in the room, haven't seen it all day. I'm looking for a bounce. Right? Off this 200. Yep. And I mean immediately. Every time you see a chart, it should be like, I got you, right? Bang. No ifs, ands, or buts. No question about it. What is it doing? Where did it come from? How are the candles set up? What was it doing before? Like, I mean, it'd take me, I don't know, 2 seconds to evaluate the entire chart and then trade it. You know what I mean? There goes your pop. You guys saw that in real time, though, right? Where I said, look, and here's the bounce. No worries, Chris. See ya. Appreciate you. All right, that's gold. What else we got out here? What else are you guys trading? Tell me. I'll key it in.
YM was running, but I don't know. It made the new high today.
YM is in a range in between indicators. That was trash.
Yep, I see it. So first thing we do is right here, we're going to chart out the channel it's in, right? Right there. That's the channel it's stuck in. So until it breaks above or below, I wouldn't touch it. What else do you guys trade?
Gold.
Yeah, I was in that. Oil.
We did oil earlier today, but it's not going to be moving for beans right now.
Well, what's the ticker on it?
CL.
That's what I thought. Crude oil. Yep. All right. Oh, we got a boot forming. See this? So immediately, if I'm looking at this, I'm watching for the break of this to long it. You see it right here? That'll give me a long from here to here. That'll be above these levels, this level right here. This is my long. 2 seconds, baby. What else?
Natural gas, natural gas, NG.
Got it?
Volume's low this time of day.
Yeah, this is doing the exact same thing. Notice this one is not the boot, right? See how it's a little different here?
And start curling up, yeah.
Yep. This looks more like Miranda's heel. Don't it look like a dress shoe, like a heel or something? I knew this guy was fake. They're drawing a bunch of pictures on the charts. They're talking about high heels. Yeah. A Fibonacci high. It's a Fibonacci high heel.
Copper was running earlier, but I don't know if it ran out. It's probably ran out of steam.
It did. So silver, platinum, and copper were running really nice today.
Yep. See, so right here, support on copper. You see this level? You can see it from right here to here. So this, it did. I know. That's what I was saying. And usually NQ and Power Hour is freaking nice. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's just the whole thing. Whole thing is just dead.
ES looked just like, I know ES is looking different than NQ earlier, but I don't.
I mean, look at this. We're still in this same garbage. It's just not, there's just nothing. Everybody's just like, wah, wah. TikTok. I'm going to kill this TikTok. See you guys. It's just toast. I'm sick of seeing it. It just keeps alerting my screen. I'm going to downgrade the quality on it. Give me a second. I'm going to kick it down to like 720 and see if it'll calm down. Stop being stupid. All right, let's try it again. Go live. Futures with Mark. Whoops. Go live. There we go. See if it'll start yelling at me again. I downgraded the quality. And if the quality's not, I'm just going to kill it. I don't want to see the stupid error message. I just don't care. Bye. Get out of my life. You guys shouldn't be over there watching it for free anyways. You should be over in the damn Discord, which is free. Then you should be in the Zoom, which is free, right? The hell are you watching over there for? Never understand that.
Yeah, I mean, you can actually open your mic in our Zooms and ask questions. Get live training all day long.
You get it in real time. They'll see the whole chart. You guys realize when they're watching for free, all they get is the top chart. They don't see nothing else. They don't see me clicking the buttons, changing the order confirmation. They don't see the positions filling. They don't see the P&L over there. They don't see nothing. All they see is the main chart. I know it. Appreciate you all. Come on, this has to pop up here. We're still looking for this to pop. Same exact area, right? Come on. I know it. I want to see it too, because then it's got a massive gap to the upside. There we go. Come on. That's what we want to see. I'm in it. Give this one some room. Only in one, so my risk is lower. Remember how we talked about that? Maybe. Come on. That's better. I like it now. I like it now. Boom, a minute. I like it. I'll take 2 off. 1 left. Out. You see how I took it when it stalled? I was like, no thanks. And sold. Yep. Good move, though. It's got a lot more to go. I like it. Beautiful gap up now on SPY. If you look at over here on the right-hand side, SPY, excuse me, this should now try to make this move up here. See it? It's a good setup. So where am I at after all that nonsense? 24.23, right back to, I think that's exactly like what I started at, wasn't it? Yeah. It was like 24.80. It's literally right where I started, an hour and 12 minutes later of BSing, right? Wah, wah. Waste of time. Come on, man. Gap up here. Move, 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 move.
I took the short off of a 4-hour key level at 25.027.
25.027. Oh, yeah. I think I heard you say that earlier. Now, this time, this broke above into the higher channel, and it pulled down, treating the 9 as support. So we'll see if it's going to bounce here or not.
It's right on the top of that channel, isn't it?
Yes, yes. So it tried to run up and came all the way down, and now it's sitting on the top of that channel. So if this doesn't bounce really hard back, I'm going to short this with conviction. Shorting it. And I'm using its own channel as my get out, which is right here. I got to get rid of this stupid take profit to get it out of my life.
This one's going to be tough, Coach, because we're on the middle of the trend channel and those indicators.
Yep, yep.
And we have an uptrend. If I drew a little uptrend line there, we're right on the balance of that too.
Yep, looking for this to pull really hard here. If it didn't bounce hard, right, then the sellers should be in there. I've got a pretty tight stop. I think my risk is about 390. And like I said, if I don't get this one, though, I won't trade anymore because I'm just way over trading. I'm just trading to trade. Trading to trade's a trade's fun. Yeah, it's just no reason. Yeah, but I'm looking for this to collapse because it didn't bounce hard. Come on, a little more. We'll protect the trade. A little more. It's sitting right on that key area.
There's some contracts to the downside. There we go. Fist fight.
Yeah, it's brawling. Man, this thing is dead, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is just, yeah, this is toast. Stopped out. It is so dead right now. This is so boring for me.
I'll put a picture in the Zoom chat of what I drew and what I was looking at.
Nice, but this should be dropping like a bad habit.
Here comes the drop right here.
Here it comes. Well, you've got some contracts that they just can't make up their mind.
Well, the thing is the problem is it's just like no volume to really judge it on, but it should have came all the way down, bounced really hard. Buyers like, yeah, right? And if it doesn't do that, like I said, then it's going to tank. And I just happen to get wicked out is all, right?
There's your break.
Yeah, it's just stall. It's just dead. It's just too slow. I can't do it.
Momentum.
This is terrible. It's like watching the paint dry. So, anyways, but that'll do it. Let me see what I walked away with today. $2,005. Done. I'll take it. Done. Out. Think of it this way. If you made $2,000 a day, 252 trading days, of course, futures you have more, but 200 in those 52 trading days, 2,000, that's a $500,000 a year, right? If you guys can't live off of $2,000 a day, I don't know what to tell you. And by the way, this was done with I think it was at, $3,000, 3,800, $4,000, something like that, to make $2,000, right? So, yep. Mm-hmm. And don't forget to pay yourselves. Yeah, don't forget to pay yourselves, right? So what I do is, right, so just off of this today, so I'll take this back to 5. I'll take my little 880, I'll move it to a different account. Get it out of here, right? Reset, 5, go again. That's how you do it. You got to pay yourselves, right?
The beauty part of it is you don't need to use a lot of contracts to do it.
Mm-hmm.
That's what makes this so attractive, you know?
Yes.
Spend money to make money.
Correct. Yeah, I'm just waiting for this to dump. This should have already flushed, but the problem is there's no volume to really get us there, right? Normally buyers or sellers, one way or the other will come in, but yeah, that's better.
It's sitting on 25,000.
Yep, right there.
Be interesting to see what happens there.
There's your contract, 50 contracts at 25,000, get it to the top of the
Yeah.
So we need those to sell off though. That'll help flush.
Well, think about it. I would already be in the money here if I didn't get wicked out on the previous candle, right? But it just hasn't done anything since. It's just sitting here. Like I said, though, I see a downside off of that. It would have bounced hard, and buyers, here's the thing too. So it's 318, right? At any point, buyers and sellers can come in here. So that's why those stops are so important. Am I right? Mm-hmm. I tell people all the time, think about it. Right when it slows down and you get comfortable, the market will pick up. That'll be the time where you got your pants down. You're like, oh, crap. Think about it. You won't have a stop. You'll be heavier. Well, it's just been dancing in these, for the last 30 minutes, staying around these candles, right? And then here comes volume, bam, and you're like, oh, no. And you'll see a giant spike, like, wood. Right? You guys, if you've been trading long enough, you know exactly what I'm talking about in Power Hour. It'll just get...
A couple of them when all that volatility came through in the tariffs
Yes.
in March.
Yes.
All that shenanigans.
Uh-huh.
Holy moly. Yeah, and NQ and NQ were running at ATRs north of 120 ticks.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, oh yeah, it was crazy. Yeah, real fast. Real fast. Yup.
You better be doing it with a micro and laser focus, otherwise you're getting there.
I've had them before in there. I showed Bruno one time. It was I think it costed me, I want to say it was 21 grand. It blew right through my stop. It was like 21 grand on a pull like that.
Oh, I remember that.
Mm-hmm.
Your stop wasn't there?
It was there, but by the time it sold, it was the damage was done because I had I wanted to say 100, but it might have been 300 contracts. There was a lot. I wasn't really heavy, and it just blew right through the stop.
I remember one time he said he was took a trade and I think he stepped out of the truck to go into McDonald's to get some ice or something.
Yes. Oh my gosh. That one. Yeah, that one was like 13 grand if I remember right. Yeah, I ran in to refill my drink. I think I just ran in, literally dumped the one, refilled it, came back out, down 13.5 or something.
That's a drink.
About 2 minutes. You know what I mean? Like ding ding, like ah.
That's a $13,000 drink.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, it was. I like my Diet Cokes from McDonald's, but I don't like them that damn much.
Diet Coke is what I drink too.
Yes, it's my jam. From McDonald's is the best. That is the gift from God.
That is the gift that keeps on giving.
It really is all year long. Now look at what this did. This pulled all the way to 669.37. You guys remember us talking about that area before? Bounced right at exactly 669.37. See it?
According to your indicators, Coach, that would be previous day low
Oh, okay.
for NQ at 24,993.75.
Makes sense.
We got within a buck.
Makes sense.
Love these indicators
Oh, I know. Those indicators are so good.
because I played a bounce right off of that.
Yes. Yeah, that's beautiful. By the way, we've got the next set of indicators. We are working on them, but I'm trying not to release them like every damn month, right? It's too much of a headache. But they are being worked on. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'm going to go grab my Gatorade. By the way, have you noticed TikTok has not been freaking out?
Going down.
Mm-hmm. So I had to change it from 1080 to 720, and all that did was decrease the bit rate, which all that does is it's not using as much bandwidth from the internet, which is weird though. Like I said, I got fiber here. There should be, and I do it all morning, all of it jacked to the ceiling and no issues. Watch this. If I step away for a second, you guys, if this SPY down here breaks the 669.37, you also watch for NQ to short, right? Not financial tax or investment advice, but I'll be right back. Yeah, so watch it. If that collapses down there, right, that's hammer time with a tight stop just above it. Okay, good. Hi, Titty Titty. What you doing?
Creating a little waste here, though. You do have some contracts on the L2 over. I lost strength for the downside again.
Nice here a little bit.
Just a hair.
All right, what'd I miss? Who dat? What'd I miss? What happened?
What are you waiting for, Scott? The L2.
Still sitting here?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Still waiting.
Every time they go to that level, bites come into it.
Mm-hmm.
There it is.
Touch it. You know you want to. Oh no. Canceled. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Talking about the 9.
Everybody be cool till the 9.
He dirty butters you.
Or the 3, whatever. No, everybody be cool now. It's a family show. Come on. What are we doing?
Nice break to the upside. Let's get a hold here, huh?
Yeah, get above that 669.85 and again, try it one more time, right? Oh my gosh, this is crazy.
Yeah, we're now below 40 on the ATR on the 1 minute.
Oh yeah. I'll check them out later. Love you. Nice. All right. Well. Oh, this is getting a little bit more volume. You see how the candle's starting to dance a little bit? Is this going to wake up? Is this waking up?
Yeah, the L2 is waking up a little bit.
Yeah, this is starting to get some movement here. Always just watch that candle, right? You can tell by how the candle's reacting. Come on, man. Do something. Oh my gosh. This is terrible. This is horrible. Yeah, we had that pull all the way down to 669.37. So this is trying to drive back up again. But if it doesn't break through this channel, they're just sitting here dead again.
You know what? We're sitting right on that key level where we breakthrough before.
Yep.
25.10, 75, 25.11 basically.
It's the same thing again. Now on my NQ, I've got it at 25.012, and that's where it just hit again. See it? And there's pulling from it. Same crap.
Any more words of Mark trash?
Thank you. Coco says the Dems blocked another attempt to stop the shutdown. All right, thank you. Keep it shut down. Fire everybody's ass. Knock out half of that garbage we don't need. Go ahead. Keep it down. Fire everybody. Knock yourselves out. Coach is so mean. Come on, crash. We hit the top, heading back to the bottom. See it? Ping pong. Again, if you guys are watching, go to americandreamtrading.com. Sorry it's so boring. I've just been kind of trading, but market's kind of slow. This is your first time being here. My name is Chad, aka the Coach. I've been trading in the stock market for over 33 years. Appreciate you all being here. If you want to join us, go to our website, click Join the Community. Website's obviously the same name as everything else, American Dream Trading. Head on over there, get signed up. You guys can join us for free inside of our Zoom right now. Get over there. I apologize for TikTok acting silly earlier. I'll remember in the afternoon on Monday to keep it down to 7:20 so it doesn't fight so hard in the afternoon. Why it matters, I have no idea. But we will see. Yep, it's a mess. It's 3:30. We got about 30 minutes left of the regular market hours. Just waiting for some volume to pick up here so we can look at possibly making some more trades or not.
At 350 every day, there is a pump of volume in one direction or the other.
That is correct. What do I always say? The first 3 minutes or the last 9 minutes of the day?
Yeah.
Yep. It gets nutto. And for regular traders, it's the first 30 minutes or the last hour. But I always say for our experienced advanced traders, watch that first 3 minutes or the last, 10 minutes. But I always say 3 to 9 minutes. So, but anyways, watch it. It's crazy. By the way, has Mark been doing a phenomenal job for everybody in here or what? He needed a good break. He's been trading way too much. He's got to slow that down, man. Yeah, it's funny. He's like, I'm too tired. I'm like, dude, we'll stop getting up at like 2 o'clock in the morning to freaking trade, right? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I get DMs from them at like 2:30 in the morning. Check this out.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, go to bed, old man. What are you still doing in there? That's awesome. Like I said, it's easy to say that money doesn't control you until you have a bunch, right?
He's just hooked on the process, coach.
Mm-hmm.
He loves being able to see it,
Oh yeah.
do a trade, and have it be the thing that he saw in his head.
Oh yeah. It's amazing once it clicks and it's fun. Yeah, it's like the greatest, hobby thing that you could do. It's like like finally being able to play that instrument well enough where people are like, hey, that's cool. You know what I mean? Like, oh, I can actually play a song now, not just like 3 chords. You know what I mean?
Did we have a link for your flash sale today for the live at $4 grand for diamond?
We didn't. I didn't see Bruno made one, but I haven't seen anybody going like, I want it, I want it. So I just left it alone. Like, listen, if you don't want it, yeah. If you don't want me to save you $1,000, and just don't ask.
I was just posting the sales on YouTube, and I thought, well, see if there's a link.
Yeah. If anybody is interested, let us know. But while I was in here, I gave you 1,000 off of the Diamond Lifetime membership. So for 4K, if you guys wanted to get that, just let us know. We could also do 2 payments of 2K each, one now and 2K in 30 days. So if you guys are interested, I'm just doing that flash sale while I'm online right here. Just thought it'd be something cool if I'm sitting in here.
Very cool.
Yep. All right, come on, see if we can get a pop. Again, 50th time. A little bit more volume, not much. What a turtle, huh?
Ooh, there we go. There's 57 contracts that now we got.
Yeah, get in there. Come on, pop.
Get over the.
Yep. Come on, pop. Just don't have that false breakout here and then drop again. Get us into the next channel, right?
Please.
So I want to long this. Come on.
Get it off of the 9.
Yeah, get up in there. Do something.
Oh, I can't take it anymore. It's right at the top of that channel. You can do it.
You can do it.
25:17:50.
A minute.
There you go.
I'm going to put this right below this, though. I only went in with 1. See? And fake out. You son of a. Fake out. Fake out.
Carol says that the Zoom people cannot be heard on YouTube.
On YouTube? Well, that's the first we've heard of it. Okay, hold on.
Yeah, Carol just put that in our chat.
Oh, good. Thank you. Yep, I see what's wrong. Should be fixed now.
Test.
Yeah, that'll be fixed. Thank you. It's because I have so many audio inputs. Like right now, I'm playing through the speaker. So typically, like in the morning, I'm not playing through my speaker, so we're not getting that echo feedback. I don't know if you guys are getting echo or not.
We were for a bit, yeah.
Okay.
Not today though, but when Mark runs through it, he sometimes experiences the same thing.
Yep. You see how that was just a false breakout? You see the way it like popped and then it just stalled out?
Yeah.
I like the way it stayed up here though. I do like that. But notice, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4 here. I'm actually going to move this to right here.
Yeah, 2512 is a nice support line for that.
Yep.
That bounce there.
There it goes. That's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice. I'm in it.
Beautiful.
Yep.
Should see some resistance at 25, about 21 and a quarter.
Wow, that did not stay at all.
No, it's in the middle of of your trend channel to the upside, and it's a wick area up in there.
Get up there.
Come on. There we go.
Yes.
Here we go. Here comes some more contracts on the L2.
Shedding one.
25, 22. Come on, stay tall.
Go. Yes, that's
there,
better.
Oh, yeah, there you go. That was a nice
Go.
There
one.
you go.
Go.
There it is.
Yes,
Ching,
that's
ching.
better.
Got 100 contracts at 25, 24.
Shedding one.
25,
One left.
24.
Taking it.
Yeah.
Yay. $300.
Good job.
Good job.
Good trade.
Oh, goodness. That was a lot of excitement for about a half a second. Right?
Yay, power
Yay.
hour.
We got about 22 minutes left in the day. This is just too boring. I think I'm going to dip out of here. This is turtle.
Yeah.
This is horrible. I can't take it. I can't do it.
Well,
Oh, there it goes. Oh, hold on.
well, Friday is weird though, right?
Yes, for sure.
Well, it's
Oh.
sell-off day, right?
By the way,
Mm-hmm.
today, so we broke two, as far as I know, I mean, it might not be a world record, but as far as I know, we broke 2 world records this week. 2 world records for traders. 2. Count them. 1, 2. First one of our traders made over $25 million in a single trading session. That, as far as I know, is a world record for a day trader that is a retail day trader. I looked it up. Nobody has any proof of anything higher as far as a day trader goes. So I think that's our first world record broke. Number 2, second world record broke that I have never heard of after doing this for 33 years was David today broke a world record for an actual day trader who trades daily to be green every day for a full year straight. That's 2 world records broke this week at American Dream Trading.
Let's
That's
go,
incredible.
David. That's consistency right there.
Yes.
That guy is laser focused.
Yes. And I want you to think about it. Have you ever, I want everybody to think about this long and hard. Have you ever, first of all, heard of anybody ever making 25 million in a single trading session, a retail trader?
No.
No.
Never. Have you ever
Not
heard of
retail.
anywhere on YouTube or anything else, anyone ever being green every day for a year?
Nope.
Never. Never in my life have I ever heard of that. There's usually a red day here or there. They'll have 3 red days in a month, and you're like, yeah, this is amazing. A full year, gang. That's 252 trading days green every single freaking day. I have never in my life heard of that before. I love it. And by the way, both of those world record traders, they never were a day trader before they came to American Dream Trading. How's that sound? Is that awesome or what?
It's just
Sounds
absolutely
like something I
incredible.
want to be a part of.
I love it.
You know, and we see it all. We see it a lot now. People come in and they actually empty their cup.
Yes.
The second they get into the process, you start to see them really excel.
Oh,
and that's
yeah.
exciting to watch.
Yes, for sure. One of our traders right now, but I think he said he's going to be taking most of next week off. But one of my traders in this room was on track to do $50 million in a month.
Mm-hmm.
in a month, gang. You ever heard of that?
Wow.
Yep.
Yep.
That's incredible. It's amazing. The things that we do here at American Dream Trading have never been done before. I'm so excited for everybody here. It's amazing. Aren't you amazed, Punky? Punky's even amazed. She's so amazed by the tour world records that we broke that she had to come in and see Daddy. That's how amazing it is.
It's incredible to have that kind of performance out of your community.
Oh, it's crazy, right? These are, it's just never been done before.
You got to be a happy papa for that.
Oh, I am. We've only been here 3 years. That is a very small pool for people to do the things they're doing in 3 years with the pool size that we have, right?
Mm-hmm.
We're not talking about pulling this out of 1 million people. We have 12,000 active members. You see what I'm saying? It is not a large pool.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty amazing. David is on track. I'm trying to see who's going to get there first, David or F2. One of them is going to be our next millionaire.
I know F2 is on fire.
He's going ham.
Yeah.
I think he did 100 grand this week.
106. He had one was his best trading day.
Yes. This week.
106.
Gang. Yeah. He was going to quit 8 months ago. He did $100,000 this week.
He got the diamond.
Yes.
He got the one-on-one with Palm.
Yeah.
And it just instant 180.
Instant. Yes. Instant change.
It's amazing.
Ding.
Within a week, he was profitable and he was just trading like an animal.
Yep. I love it. It's powerful stuff. It's also that's that mind change when you're like, I'm going to do this now, right? Like I don't get, this is it. I'm just, something flips, right? Something in you changes when you really, that's why I said, if it is everything to you, you will do everything you can to make sure you succeed at it, right?
Yep.
It's that mental flip. Oh, look at this double top pullback. See that off of
Delta's
NQ?
favorite trade.
Yep. Over here talking about world records, and you guys, the money printers on full blast. You guys are just super printing that cash, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
Such a
Surprised
beautiful
it
day
didn't
out.
stop where it did.
It's so nice outside. So
It
nice.
is. It was cool here.
Mm-hmm.
It was cool this morning when I got up. I was like, love the fall.
Yeah, it's so pretty out here. I love trading in this room. It's funny, about noon, the sun comes in and pretty much burns my corneas right out of my face. But other than the noon time when the sun is directly beating down on me and trying to wreck my soul, this room is so nice to trade in. It's beautiful. My furniture, by the way, will be here Sunday. It was supposed to be like every day. Now it got moved to Sunday, but then I'll have my love seat, my tables, my chairs. This will be a really cool room to be trading out of. I'm excited.
Yeah, it looked like a great space when you showed us the picture.
Oh man, I love it. I've got that big giant room upstairs. I mean, it is huge, but there's no windows. You can't see out of it. You feel like you're just in a room. You know what I mean? As big as it is, you still you feel like you're in a bedroom or something. You know what I mean? It's like,
Right.
This is just wide open. This whole thing, this whole room, you guys, is nothing but windows. Leads to my deck, which is right here. Literally right next to me is my walkout deck. I mean, and I can, everything I can see around me is all these beautiful woods and trees back here. It's so nice.
Much better space.
That's the room you used to have the bikes, the exercise.
Yeah. Yep. I still have my Pelotons in the corner over here. I still have that in here. This is
Okay,
a
yeah,
big,
so I know what room it is.
This is a
It's
big
almost
room.
like being outside.
Yeah. This is
It's
a
like
really big room. It's it's a sun room or whatever the hell they call it. What do they call it?
It's like a
Florida room.
Yeah, but there's a fancy word for it.
Oh, conservatory
Yeah, there's another one too.
or something like that.
Sequelium. Yeah, it's all the above. It's literally all the above.
Solarium, I think.
Yeah, that's it.
There you go.
Yep. See, I knew somebody in here to be educated. We don't learn words like that. I'm from Flint,
We're
man.
I was going to say we're from Michigan.
Yeah, I'm from Flint town. I don't know all that fancy stuff. Don't get all crazy on me now.
Education came in.
Yeah, don't be throwing your big words at me.
All right, getting close to 350. Keep your arms and feet in the right at all times.
That's right. This started to pull a bit too. Here it hit that top and it's pulling. Now I'm looking for this channel down here, and then I'm going to short it. So slow.
I know. It's so agonizing.
I can't do it. This is
It
nutto.
feels like molasses.
Take that. That was a lot of hard work for 8 ticks. Crying out loud.
Are you still paper trading, or are you live trading now, or are you doing both?
I do both. So I've got a cash account in Tradeovate, and then I've got the XFA in prop with another challenge to copy trade on it.
Nice. Good
So
stuff.
yeah, what I'm going to do is build capital in the prop, move it over to the cash so I can trade larger in cash.
There you go. It's a good idea.
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely. This thing's still turtling. Yeah, we've got a whole, I've got a whole nother prop firm. It's just for stocks and options. I've been working with them. I don't like the way it is yet, so I haven't turned it on. I won't turn it on until I like it perfectly for us. But we've been working with them. You saw, right? I posted the certificate. I've already passed their stuff.
Yeah. As soon as I get a second, I'm going to do that too, so I can be helpful for our community.
Right. Yeah. If they don't fix it, I won't release it. I sat with them. I said, hey, your programmer's got to make some changes because I don't like it. It's too convoluted. People would have a hard time. I don't want us to spend all of our time trying to troubleshoot a prop firm. Like, that's not what it's supposed to be for. So,
right.
The nice thing
you
with
have problems with the GUI or the mechanics?
Well, it's using like a TD backend. The programmers are from TD. And if you're not familiar with TD, especially coming from like Weeble, it's a struggle bus, you know?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I used TD for decades. So I'm like, this is TD. And they're like, yeah, it is. I'm like, yeah, I know. I don't like it. My group will hate it. They'll think it's dog crap.
We still have a couple of people that use TD.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. You know, it's one of those, once you're comfortable with it, it's fine. But it's such a huge learning curve. Like, look how easy Weeble is. You can come in and just trade
relatively speaking, it's pretty easy.
Yeah. You can just come in and trade it. You know what I mean? Yep. It's like, oh, okay. Yep. That's why we chose it in the beginning. I mean, I've been using Weeble since it was started coming out in its beta. So I've used all of these. I don't care what it is. I can trade anything. It doesn't matter to me. It's just, I don't want it to be hard for people that have never seen it before. It's gonna be like, what is this? Oh, here we go. Volume.
There it is.
Yep. There it is.
There's your 350 candle.
Yep. Yep. Just like clockwork.
Whammo.
Went in real small. Nope. Getting out, because that's where it bounced on the normal bounce zone.
Mm-hmm.
That 669.38 we had marked, right?
Yep, and that's right down there at previous day low as well.
Yep. That's what
so I took the bounce.
Yep. I was like, I'm not playing with that. I got the tail end of it.
Yeah, I typically don't like to take the candle on the way down. I'll wait for it to stop and I'll take the bounce on the way back up.
Yeah, wait for the pause. Yep.
Mm-hmm. Yep. That's my favorite.
This has still got some wiggle room.
Yeah, it does. L2's a mess. Can't trust that.
Oh yeah, everything's everywhere.
Question is, are we going to get a retest and then a pull?
I got it off the bounce.
There you go.
Only a couple $100. Want to see it break through. Finally, I want to see it blow through this 37, 669.37 on SPY, which is around this 24,993 on the NQ. I want to see it break through that, and then I'm going to hammer it.
I'd like to see it really break through for
'Cause
us for NQ. That'd be 24,993.75, that previous day low.
Yeah, and I've got 993 up.
Yep.
And that's going to be open because that's what, if you guys look at SPY, it's 30 cents off of previous day close. See it?
Mm-hmm.
So I want it's fighting, trying to, is it going to close red or green for the day? That's what this struggle is right here.
Oh, you know what? That's right. Because
Yes.
we're at 0.42%.
Yes,
we're $105 off.
Yeah, it's 30 cents off on SPY. So 30 cents is the difference between green or red right now.
Oh, for crying out loud! You're probably going to go to the upside then.
Maybe
if that's the case.
Maybe, just
Maybe.
depends. And then
because you only need $100, and for NQ to move $100 is nothing.
And then this will come down to, right, we're talking about things like covered calls and stuff. If there's large orders, and I don't talk about that a lot, only on Fridays. If there are large orders sitting, they'll try to pin it above or below it to, you know, to determine what they want to do. Do they want to sell them or not?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Yeah, look at it.
Have you ever traded options in futures?
No. Nope. I don't see a reason for it.
No, I don't either.
No.
We have members to ask about it from time to time. I'm like, it's not something we're going to train to.
Yeah, there's just zero reason for it. I mean, if there was a legitimate reason for it, we would. But look at what we're doing without it.
Yeah, like, I mean, leverage on leverage doesn't.
Yeah,
really...
why make it confusing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Plus, I don't think they be getting a lot of open interest on those.
Well, yeah, no, because everybody's just buying and selling the actual commodity. They don't need the damn option, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right.
All right, come on. I want to see. I want to see this. I want to see this. I want to see the bottom fall out. You know, and that's what's funny. I talk about that all the time during the regular day. Is that, you know, when we're day trading, I don't mind at all when we have these blood red days. And people that are holding like 401ks and long terms, they freak out. But you got to remember, over time, the stock market rebounds and always makes new highs. It has since the history of the stock market. So in the interim, right, we're doing all the work, you know, especially the downside stuff, which is amazing, while letting the long-term stuff go, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's like you get to double dip.
Mm-hmm.
This is why I tell all of you guys, if you have a great day in the market, diversify. Take some of that money out of that day trading account. Go buy that long-term investment, pay down that mortgage, pay off that tuition, right? Go buy that set of tires you need before, you know what I mean? Like, pay your auto insurance for a year instead of every month or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Set yourself up with success while you have that money.
Yeah, get some space.
Yeah, diversify yourself. Make it easy. Pay down debt. That's the biggest thing. I am a huge believer in that. Get rid of all your bullshit debt, because the less debt you have, the less, you know, money you're trying to get every month to survive on, and then your back's not against the wall. Here we go, looking for this pull.
Yeah, there we go.
Come on, baby. Drop.
Come on.
Oh, I so want to, but it's not there. I mean, it's 9 cents away from previous day close. Yep. As soon as I try to short that thing, it'll go boing.
Come on, get down there.
Yeah, get down there and really get hammered so I know we can get into it.
994.
Because right here, it's technically on support, right?
Come on.
This is support.
Yep.
Previous day close. This is support.
Yeah, I'm going to take it there. I took it off the 9.
Nice job. I'm going to long it right here.
Yep.
If I see it fade at all, though, I'm out, because it could drop like a son of a.
Put my stop just below previous day low.
Yep, it's just teetering. Oh, Oh, whoops. Okay. I accidentally had
there
my
it went.
stop way too tight, but hey, it worked out. Did you guys see that? I placed my stop too tight and it immediately triggered it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. NQ is notorious for that right
Yes.
there.
All right, right here. She's a bleeder.
Yep.
Stay down there and I will hammer your face.
Trend channel just switched over.
Yeah, it's very dangerous.
Still heavy.
It's dangerous. It's trying to lure us in. It's like, come, go ahead, short me. Bam!
I'm right here.
Yep.
Come and see me.
Oh my gosh.
All right.
All right, I'll take a stab at it.
There it is.
Yeah, it's begging me to do it.
All right. Okay. 995 is going to be problematic. Yep, there it goes.
Nope, I got to get out. Cost me $400 for that damn trade. I was up 100 and then it went boing.
Yeah. I took it at the bottom of your trend channel on the trading view.
Nice. Oh my gosh, is it going to do it again? Is it going to test me again? It's like, do it,
It
coach.
might.
I told you it's luring me and it's like, go ahead. Go ahead. You got 2 minutes
Just when
till
you
the
think
market.
you're out.
Yeah, you got 2 minutes to the market open or market close. Go ahead. You got 2 minutes. Go ahead. Yeah, it cost me $500 on that trade.
Yeah.
It's like, go ahead, do it. Don't you do it.
Come on.
I better get this stop in here before this thing freaks. It's way too dangerous to not have a stop in the last at the buzzer beater. You guys hear me?
Yep.
Yep.
Super dangerous to not have a stop. Last minute.
I don't know what's going to happen.
It's fighting it. Stopped out. And a knife dropped. Oh, you sucker.
Ouch.
Yeah.
It's too tight. It's too tight. Still going to walk away with, well, 860, but I'll take it. Off those two trades. That's how quick those two trades, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's what boredom will do. I was bored as crap. 30 seconds. Like, I want to make one more trade right here. We got 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Where are they going to pin it? Where are they going to pin it? It's 20 cents.
Oh.
Where are they going to pin it? Green or red? 15. Oh, I don't even have enough now. Yeah, I tried to buy 3. 15 seconds.
Nice.
5 seconds. And is it going to be pinned green or red?
NQ is going to be red for
they
sure.
They pinned SPY at 3 cents over.
Are you kidding me?
Nope. Look.
That's some fancy article writing right there.
Yeah, look, it's literally 0%.
Oh my gosh.
You guys see it?
0%.
0% for SPY. They pinned it 3 cents up for green. So it is a green trading session by 3 cents. 0%. Yep.
Oh, that's some shady stuff.
That's crazy, right? All right, gang, listen, I'm out. Love your faces. Everybody have an amazing weekend. Remember, I'm going to be here all next week.
Thank you, Coach.
You're welcome. Thank you guys for being here.
Thank you, Coach.
I appreciate all of you. Thank you to all my moderators. Thank you to my military family and all my first responders. Appreciate everybody.
All right.
Thank you.
Have a good weekend.
You too. I know it's kind of boring, but it just stalled out. Just kind of wah, wah. Whatever. We got some trades in.